What's going on, guys? It's Joey, and today I've got an awesome workout for you guys. It is calisthenics. You can work out at your house with no equipment, and it's going to be a leg workout. Yes, there are leg workouts that you can do with calisthenics, even though, as you probably already know, most of it is targeted for the upper body, whether it's push muscles or pull muscles. However, there are still plenty of different things that you can do with your legs, and you don't need to have heavy weight on your back. For me personally, when I started doing calisthenic leg workouts, I could start to see a difference. It was more shredding of the legs rather than bulking and having these huge massive legs. You're able to really shred down your legs and not have too much heavy weight, because when you are doing your upper body calisthenics movements, it's going to be really hard to balance, let alone just hold yourself up if you've got these huge meaty legs that you are trying to hold up above you. Plus, it's awesome because I know when I was doing this workout, my legs were absolutely destroyed. So I promise when you guys are done with this workout, tomorrow or the next day, you're not going to be able to walk. For this workout, we are only going to use our body weight, and on top of that, we're going to incorporate a HIIT workout so that we are actually burning a lot more calories while we're working out, so we don't even need to do cardio. This is super effective because if you don't have a gym, then you probably don't have an elliptical or a treadmill or anything at your house, and you probably don't feel like going out and running. If you do feel like you want to go out and run, by all means, go on a run. However, if you want to effectively burn fat while you are working out your muscles, this is the perfect method to 1, burn calories, and 2, build strength. In order to incorporate HIIT training into our strength training routine, we are going to want to cut down our rest time in between each set between 20 and 30 seconds. So do not allow yourself to rest for more than 30 seconds at a time. As requested by Koreanese, tomorrow's workout is going to be a lower chest workout with absolutely no weights you can do at home. And I'm super stoked to be dropping that video. So before we jump into this video, if you have ever watched my content and found any of it valuable whatsoever, consider subscribing to my channel and sticking along so that I can teach you how to transform your life. Let's jump into the workout. All right, guys, so the first workout we're gonna jump into is 20 squat jumps. You want to make sure that you are getting low enough and that your knees are staying where they are. You don't want your knees to be bending inward. Look at my knees and how they are now. Now, this is a very simple, explosive leg workout, but it's very, very effective. By your 20th squat jump, I guarantee you're going to feel some kind of burn in your legs. Now, after our 20 squat jumps, take a 20 to 30 second break and then jump into 20 body squats. When you're doing these body squats, make sure that you are not leaning over too far forward, but that you are maintaining a center of balance and you are leaning back on your heels as you are squatting. Just like the squat jumps, make sure that you are getting as low as you can. Because we are not using very heavy weight on our backs, we can go down to the ground. After we just enjoyed some body squats, go ahead and take another break for about 20 to 30 seconds. Now we're gonna jump into Bulgarian squats. For Bulgarian squats, you wanna put one leg up on a bench or a chair and put your other leg out in front of you, but you want to make sure that your foot is not too far ahead of you and not too close to you. Also, keep in mind that your knee is not going over your toe. You want to be going straight down and that you have that burn in your leg. So we're doing 10 of these each leg. Now we just need to locate a wall or a pole, as you can see in this example, and do 1-minute wall sits. When you are leaning against a wall, all you have to focus on is that your leg is at a 90-degree angle. If your leg is not at a 90-degree angle, your foot is probably too far forward or too far backward. And then hop right into switching lunge jumps. We are going to do 20 reps of these switching lunge jumps, which comes out to 10 per leg. Really focus on your height and explosiveness when you are doing this exercise. You want to try and get up as high as you can and explode. And the very last workout we have is 5 pistol squats per leg. When you're doing these pistol squats, this is going to require a lot of core strength as you have to keep your entire body stabilized. However, if you cannot do pistol squats quite yet and do single leg box squat, remember that we were doing 5 each leg. That is the entire workout. No weights required, just your body weight. However, once you finish this all the way through, do it 3 more times. All right, guys, well, let me know what you thought of that workout down in the comments, and let me know if you're going to try this workout out. I was doing this workout earlier and my legs were burning. They were on fire when I was doing this workout. I can already tell tomorrow my legs are not going to feel too good, so if I'm in a bad mood tomorrow on my video, you know why. As always, guys, if you found this video valuable, go ahead and consider subscribing and dropping a like on this video. Remember that I am dropping a new video every day at 5 p.m. PST, so make sure that you come back. As always, I love you guys so much. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.